So welcome to this unboxing video. So here we have my 7D Mark 1. It's showing its age now since it's been out for some years. It has a nice battery grip on it and it's in good condition. It's taken only about 30,000 pictures. So I'm going to upgrade this to something better. Do you wonder what I might be upgrading it to? Have a guess. Well, let's have a look what we've got in this box that we've bought. Move that aside. Here we are. So without further ado, let's open it up. Whenever you're opening a box, please be careful. Try and do it at the top, don't go in, because you could damage whatever's in there. As I said previously, do not be scared about buying second-hand equipment when it comes to camera gear, because providing someone's not a professional, so unless they're part of a newspaper or a professional photographer in the studio, they're unlikely to have used this camera heavily. So let's have a look. So what do we have here? You guessed right if you guessed the 7D Mark II. So let's have a look what they've given us in this box. So let's move this over here so you can have a look. 7D Mark II. So we've upgraded. So basically we will be able to shoot 10 frames a second instead of 8, and it'll have a newer sensor in there as well, which should give us an increased one stop of light gathering capability basically. So let's see what we got for our money. So obviously we got a Canon charger, which is very important you get these. I suggest and I do recommend that you consider buying many of these so that you can charge batteries at the same time. So in this box it looks nice and well packaged. So we have in this box, they've decided to send us some extra, which is a Spark Alpine Labs. Basically it's designed so you can remotely access the camera. So that's something I'll look into. I don't know the ins and outs of it. We'll see if we can open it up, see what it looks like. It's basically got a hot shoe, if you can see that in the video. You know, a hot shoe, and you just attach that on the top of your camera. So with the Spark I should be able to remotely access the camera via my smartphone, and I should be able to you know, create pictures, long exposures, do time lapses without touching the camera, because if you touch the camera it creates shake, so it's best to always avoid having to touch the camera at all. So in here we've got some certificate information and lots of CD-ROMs, which will have drivers on them. Open the box up, see what we've got here. Here's the camera, well packaged, looks nice, almost like new. Looking at the camera, it looks very clean, looks like it's brand new if you ask me. So it will have 2 card slots. It seems very similar to the Mark 1. Size wise it's pretty much the same. Controls, there's a few more controls on there extra, if you can see that in the video. Let's just put that side by side. So that's what it looks like side by side. Looking at it, it seems really in decent good condition, and as I said, always try and get someone who's a hobbyist rather than a professional, because you always find that they treat the equipment better. We've also got a lens here that they've included, which is the 10 to 18mm STM lens, which is a very good lens. I would highly recommend anyone buy that, but you will need to buy the lens hood separately because Canon don't include it. And in this package we've got some cables, the shoulder strap, and we've also got 3 batteries included. So all in all, if we were to price this up, so say you did pay £650 for your camera. Now the lens itself is around £200 brand new or £150 second hand. So you can probably sell that and recoup and make the camera equivalent to about £500 in cost. I believe this Spark device that they've included is worth around the £80 mark. So obviously you can claw back another £80. So in effect, I bought a camera here which is worth probably £400, which is more or less what I paid about 5 or 6 years ago for the Mark 1. So this is the 7D Mark II. It's a really good camera to have, and it's comparable to the 80D in terms of capability, except it will take pictures at 10 frames a second. So obviously we've got a camera, we've got our charger, we've got the Spark, we've got the Canon 10 to 18 STM lens, we've got 3 batteries. Batteries, you know, 2 of these are genuine ones, so they go for about £25 each anyway. And then we've got the Spark device there for doing time lapses, remote control of the camera via smartphone. So I just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing to tell you what I've bought here, and to tell you that the camera I bought for £400 is a steal, to be honest with you. So if we sell the lens and we sell this Spark device, we can claw back pretty much £200 of that. So I just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing video to show you what I've got today. Don't be scared of buying second-hand equipment, because you can save yourself a small fortune. This camera new when it came out would have set you back about £1,200, just like the 90D is currently selling for. So I hope this little video that I showed you on what I've got gives you inspiration and food for thought regarding buying second-hand equipment. And I'd like to see you in the next video. Subscribe if these videos help you out. Please remember that second-hand equipment can save you a fortune. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.